There we go. How's it going, folks? I just took a shit, and now my body is empty of all waste, so I think it's a good time to start a new series. This one is going to be called Man versus Food. And in this series, I'm going to use different man made tools to see if they're strong enough to destroy food or if the food is too strong for it. In this first episode, good old sledgehammer. It's 8 pound sledgehammer I got from the store. And today we're going to try it out on a watermelon and a pumpkin. So let's get right into it. Wait a minute. I almost forgot. Our number one priority, which of course is safety. Well, the watermelon didn't survive.
Let's cut to the slow-mo film and see what that's all about.
Let's see how the pumpkin does. Oh shoot. Oh, we made a little damage. I think the stem was mainly the one protecting the structural integrity of the pumpkin. So we'll call that one a tie. Watermelon one, and then that's it. Points for pumpkin or man.
Here the pumpkin slow-mo. I kind of fucked it up, but this is it.
If you like this video and you think I should do more of them, comment or something, and you can leave a suggestion of what tools or food I should use. Till next time. Okay, but this ain't much. Hey, yeah, it works pretty good. Maybe. Kobe. LeBron. Oh shit. Uh, Larry Bird. What's his name? Fucking Obama. Yeah, that'd be about good. can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. Oh shit. When you hold me
Da Vinci?
in your arms so tight, keep it up, girl. Everything's alright.